Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to run over to the other garage. My boy Ant's there. I'm going to pick up the calipers, put some air in my tires, and then maybe later tonight or tomorrow I'll end up putting my calipers on the car if I don't run into any problems. So let's go check the calipers out.
Stop right now. Stop. Come on, bro. Stop.
I'm not even touching you with it.
Being a 3-year-old.
So, the calipers came out really dope. We used Duplicolor caliper paint along with engine enamel clear for high heat, and they came out awesome. Yo.
Yo, where are you?
Getting air in my tires. So, I got the calipers home in one piece, but I did run into some unexpected issues, and I'm the only one to blame for that. And I guess I'll explain as to what's going on. So, I attempted to try and put on my 5-lug swap for the front and ran into a few issues. I totally forgot that the S13 ball joints won't fit an S14 knuckle. So I'm gonna just order a completely brand new lower control arm with the S14 ball joint on that. Also, in order to run the S14 knuckles on an S13, you have to get these little sleeves that would fit inside the knuckle itself, just so the actual nut and bolt can fit tight in there and not wiggle around loosely. So I'm probably gonna have to wait another few days for an axle nut on this one because the S14 is a little bit different. So a few more days for the fronts, but I did end up putting in my rears today, which came out pretty dope. So I got both rears in with the 5-lug swap. They came out awesome. Waiting on lines to come from Chase Bays to run from the hydro to one of the e-brakes, and then I just need Chase Bay Z32 lines as well. So those came out sick. And I'm probably gonna need a little bit of a spacer to get the fitment I'm looking for, but I feel like the wheels will serve their purpose and they look pretty good on the car. And something I'm just now noticing, I never really paid much attention to the car itself. Really just the engine for the time being, but I guess I could show you what the car looks like. So it looks like absolute garbage, but there's no rust on the body or anything. Interior is pretty clean except for the really shitty flock dash, but I'm probably gonna get one of those carbon fiber covers to go over it, and I'm obviously getting rid of this shit wheel that it came with. But it's still stock, full interior. I have that little piece up there. I just took it off to see if I could get that seatbelt slider off. I could not. But yeah, the car is in pretty good condition other than the shit front end that they welded on by one of the previous owners. So you got that horrible weld job and this horrible weld job. Other than that, I feel like the car's come a really long way. Engine's just about ready to get fired up, still waiting on an ECU, and my coil pack wires, and that's about it. So I guess you can say when it's done, it'll probably have gone through a real transformation because it looks like absolute garbage right now.